This YouTube channel only the 22 videos, and look at the subscribers, more than 300k subscriber, and every video getting the thousands and millions of views. Only the 22 videos and this much of the engagement, that's really enormous. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you and give you the steps how you can also start these kind of the AI generated videos, faceless YouTube channel. I'm going to give you everything step by step guide. I will give you the niches, how you can generate the topics, the video ideas and the prompts, and the tool with the help of you can generate these kind of the videos for yourself as well. So this channel based on the history. So for the example, I'm going to show you to generate the historical videos. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So I'm going to use this tool. I have told you that I'm going to use a AI video generating tool. So this is the tool. So what I liked about this tool, this is all in one. It is going to generate the prompts for you. It is going to generate the videos, the sound effects, the music, the voiceover, and even the editing. That's why this is one of the best video tool I have found on the internet for starting a AI faceless video. So I have already created a detailed video on the motion features. This is the video I'm talking about, and right now this tool is available on the lifetime deal. You don't have to pay the any monthly or the yearly subscription charges, and if you want to try it for the free trial period, there's also the free trial. The link will be in the description along with the topics and the prompts I am also going to show you. For example, this is the prompt. You have to simply copy and paste to get the ideas and the YouTube channel's video topics. Okay, so simply you have to copy paste these prompts and you will start getting the ideas that you will use in this platform to generate the videos. So let me give you the first example. So I have to go to the ChatGPT, and here I have just entered, I want to create a history based faceless shorts video channel. You can just change history with any of the niche you want, and after that please give me ideas which can go viral making videos on it. Okay, so right now after that what I have found, it has given me the best niche ideas here. So you have to select any of the niche, and after that it will ask you to give you the top 10 video ideas. So okay, so this is the second prompt I have given. All this prompt you will find in the description in a file. Okay, so make sure you check that out. Simply paste here and you will get the ideas here. So my first video topic is this one. Okay, so what if Roman Empire never failed? So I will simply copy paste this one. Okay, so simply copy paste here. Let me make it a little more. Okay, so I have to select it, copy. Now after that go to the Mootion, and here you will find the history based video creation. If your niche is not available, you can just go to the general creation. Okay, so I will go to the history for kids, and after that simply paste here. Okay, and now you have to select the your other things like the ratio. So I'm selecting the shorts ratio, so I have selected, and after that you have to select the visual style. It has so many visual styles available: photorealistic, picture, cartoon, retro, 3D, cinematic, the painting. Okay, so many available. I will go with this one, that is the sketchbook, or let's go with the illustration. Okay, I can also go with the cinematic or the photorealistic. So right now I'm selecting just for this video is the illustration. Okay, so after that you have to simply click here on the generate, and now it will start generating the your first script and the scenes for you. So you have to wait until the process is done. Here you can see I am start getting the result. It is generating the scenes for me. What I like about this tool, along with the short videos, you can also create the lengthy and the longer videos. You have to just add the scenes here, or you have to generate new scenes. So I will show you that. For example, right now there are the 22 scenes. These scenes is the image page. So I have to click here on the animate all, and these scenes will be the animated. There's also this voiceover script available. Okay, so right now I want to add the one more scene here. So simply I have to select this scene. I have to click here on the plus icon, either this one, or wherever I want to add the new scene. So I want to add in the last. So this is the 23rd scene, and here you have to add the image prompt or the idea that based on you want to generate the scene. So I have selected that one, and now I will click here on the regenerate. So here you have to add the detail about that scene. So I will add the ancient Rome into techno logi. So I have given, now simply click here on the generate, and now the scene will be the generated here. Okay, so it will take some time. There's the percentage going on for the process. So if somehow your scene is not suitable for you, or you are not happy or satisfied, you can also delete that scene. So for example, I want to delete this one. Simply select this scene, and then after that you will able to delete from here. Okay, this is the delete section. So right now what I want to get the notice here, the consistency of the every scene. You can see this is the consistent with the same building style, same visual style, same character design. You can see this is the same character in this scene and this scene, same character design. So my 23rd scene is with the same consistent design is just generated. I'm just showed you for the demo. Right now I'm deleting, yes, delete, and now I will click here on the animate for individually animate every scene, or what I can do, simply click here on the animate all. So now it will just animate all these scenes. If you want in the high quality, you have to enable this one, but what I suggest, disable it, because it will cost you the more credits here. Now simply click here on the OK, and now your video that is the totally AI based on the history topic will be the start generating. So look at here how much time it will cost you, around just the 5 to 7 minutes, and my video is ready. So that is what is the best part of the Mootion. Although there's the process is going on and video is not 100% made, there's still the few more things like the editing, the your transition style you have to select, the voiceover or the background music you have to select. So once this animation is done, I have to select that. So till then we have to wait again. So all the scenes is generated, and it took around the 3 minutes to generate all the 22 scenes. You can individually play the scene by this play button, and if you want to regenerate or replace, you can do it here. So right now then let's go to the next step, that is this one, and after that you have to select the title style. This will be the title that will pop up on your main starting point. So I don't want any title style, but I want the subtitle style. So right now what I am doing, I am editing the video along with the generating. I can do that. Okay, so I have selected this style, this looks really good. Then after that I can also generate a thumbnail here. Okay, so I don't want for the short video, so I am remaining it empty, but you can enable this one. Then we have this scene effects. So this is the scene effect here. So I don't want anyone, but I think the shake effect is good for this demo purpose, so I have selected. Then this is the transition between every scene. There will be the effect that called the transition, and here I can select that. So right now I think let me select this one, that is the fades in and out. Then this is the voiceover. I am selecting a voiceover that is going to just talk the script that I have told you. So we have this so many voiceovers available, the standard, the pro, plus everything. So I am going to get anyone. So right now based on the default it will find you and select the automatically a good voiceover for based on your video and the niche. So right now this one you can play the this voiceover.
The only true wisdom is in knowing.
Really good here. Okay, now we have the AI avatar layout. This just small 3D layout will start appearing up on the video. So I don't want, so I no avatar. Then we have the AI background music. So we have the low, medium and high. I will go with the medium, and then we have the emotions available. We have the tempo available. Okay, so let's go to the emotion, and here I want the suspenseful. Okay, in the suspenseful we have this one. So I will select any of this one. You can also select and check out. This looks really good here. Now everything is done here, and simply click here on the composite. Now everything that we have generated, edited, selected, configured, it is going to just compiled in one video that is the 100% completed. Here you can see the progress bar. Right now it's the going on, so we have to wait for the few more seconds while it is generating and getting done. Let me talk the few more things. So here I am getting the title, I am getting the summary, I am getting the hashtags, and not only that, we have also the script available. So once this is the done and video is generated, there this share button will be enabled. So with this share button, what I can do, I can integrate my YouTube channel. So without downloading the video and again go to the YouTube channel, uploading the video, straight with this integration I can directly share this generated video on my YouTube channel. So this is the another cool feature what I liked about the Mootion here. So the 50% done almost. I need to wait for a few more seconds. So everything is done, video is generated, and here's the final result.
Let's embark on a thrilling journey through time and imagination, a world where the mighty Roman Empire never fell. Imagine the great city of Rome, alive with sparks of the future entwined with its grand past. Picture this. As the golden sun rises over a new day Rome, it shines upon towering skyscrapers made of sparkling marble. Like gigantic sculptures, they stand majestically against the clear blue sky, their reflective surfaces shimmering under the brilliant sunlight. That shimmer with energy and speaks the familiar language of the great Roman. Imagine the chance of thousands filling the air, in progress and unity for generations to come.
So previewing this video is taking longer because this video is the around 3 minutes and 16 seconds. So I have although created the short video, but still around with the 22 seems it is longer than what I expected. So right in front of you I have showed you not only you can create the short videos but also the lengthy longer videos with the Mootion here. So this is the output I am getting, and this is really amazing and excited. And this is only the one demo example I have showed you. Look at the opportunities. You can create the faceless short videos, you can create the science videos, bedtime story, horror stories, we have the journals, we have the regional videos, so many stuff you can do it with this single tool. All you have to just give your prompt, and not only that, the prompt you can also upload your own recording, and based on that recording your video will be the generated. So this is the another feature I have just said you. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the likes button, subscribe this channel to stay updated, and make sure you also check out the Mootion lifetime deal, that is the link given in the description. So with that you don't have to pay the any monthly or the recurring subscription charges. Just pay the one for time and you will get the unlimited access for your lifelong. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to know more about the Mootion, there's the detailed video on my channel. This is the video I'm talking about. It will give you the more extra information about the Mootion, its features, and some hidden things that I have only talked in this detailed review video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.